Hello, dosto. So, good afternoon. Okay, so here I will discuss one problem from Code Forces, that is Code Forces round 844 for both Division 1 and 2, and is based on VK elimination round. Okay, so I am going to discuss the first problem, that is parallel projection. I will describe the problem in short. So what given is, you have given a cuboid, okay, of width equal to w, height equal to h, and what you can say the, or simple, it is a parallelepiped, okay, or a rectangular cuboid. Its floor has dimension w cross d and a height of h. Okay, now the Oh, and there consist a laptop and a projector. Okay, so laptop is in the floor and projector is in the top of the rectangular cuboid. Okay, laptop has dimension a comma b, which is in this figure, which is equal to 23 comma 10, and the projector has dimension of f comma g. Okay, or points f comma g, which is in this case is equal to 18 comma 3. Now what the question wants, we have to find the length of the minimum wire which will pass through all the edges. Okay, most important, it will pass through only the faces, or run, or it can always run parallel to one of the cuboid's edges. Okay, see, the green line consists here of the wire. Okay, so as you can see, this green line is parallel to this edge and this edge. Okay, and this green line is parallel to this edge and this edge. Okay, therefore we have to find the length of the minimum wire which is parallel to all of the edges. Okay, and see that line conveys the same. What is the minimum length of the cable that can connect the laptop to the projector? And also one thing, that these green lines or the wire could not connect diagonally. Okay, so let's see how we can solve the problem. Okay, so as you can see here, that the projector has points. Projector is represented with point a comma b, and the laptop is shown as the point f comma g, and the red is the wire. Okay, now to find the length of this wire, what we have to do is to first calculate the, what I can say, calculate the distance between 2 points. Okay, the distance between 2 points, by keeping remembering that the wire is always parallel to the edges, the distance will be equal to h. So here h represent this part. Okay, one second, just one second. Oh, okay, okay, I'm ready. So here h represents this part of the wire. Okay, h represents this part of the wire, and absolute of a minus a represent this part of the wire. Okay, this part of the wire, and g represent this part. Okay, and b represent this part. Okay, so this is the length of the minimum wire. Now it cannot be the length of the minimum wire. Okay, if these points are, let's say, here, and the projector is kept in here, and the laptop is connected here, so in that case the length of the wire will be like this. The length of the wire will be like this, and Okay, so what I am trying to tell is we have to calculate all the four possible ways. Okay, so this one, and this one. Okay, and this one, another case will be through this. Okay, another case will be like this. Okay, so we have to calculate the wires from or the length of the wires from both four directions. Okay, and when we will try to generalize the or when we will represent all these languages in code, it will look like this. Let's see upon the code. I have declared wd and h variables and get and got the input, and also the coordinates of the laptop and projector. Okay, a b and fg. And in the first case, absolute of a minus m plus b plus c represents okay, this distance, and similarly the other v1 v2 v3 represents the other ways. Okay, and I have kept all of this in a vector 4, and finally sort the vector and also outputted the minimum. Okay, and also added h because h is common to all the distances. Okay, without h we can't go from one point to the other point. Okay, and finally, as you can see, I have got submitted the code, and it is accepted. So thank you and have a nice day.